So according to the given question, we have a hexagonal pyramid, but the only difference here is it's resting on its slant surface. Okay, so I hope you have seen the question before in the previous slide. So let us start with the sum. So usually the first stage is always the same as we do for normal hexagonal pyramid. Only from second stage it changes. So this is our x, y, and here VP, HP. So first I will draw. So the side is like 25 and height is 50. So what I will do, I'll pull 25 centimeter line like this. Okay, it's proper, and I'll keep here exactly straight. Mark 120 degree. Why? Because the interior angle of a hexagon is 120 degree. 120 comes here. Then from this point I'll just pull little, from this point a little, take my compass, measure 25, cut here, cut here. Now I'll put properly and cut on this line and cut on this line. Why I am doing this is because we know the other side will obviously come in this line itself. It won't come somewhere up or down, so it should exactly be there. So that's why I directly put an arc like this. I'll just erase the extra edges. So make sure it's in a straight line. Okay, the opposite edges should always be coming in a straight line. Since it's a pyramid, the opposite corners will join to each other. Okay. Oh, sorry. Made a mistake. I had to stop till here. I went down. Okay. Anyways. Now it will come properly perfect. Fine. Okay, so now this is my base. Okay, so from center the height should be 5. It's a dark line itself. Okay, done. Now I'll do the naming. So this I'll start from A, B, C, D, E, F. So this will be my O in the bracket, O. See, in every video I say that don't write here, because you have to draw a line again and you have to erase it. It's a double work. so naming above A dash in the bracket F dash. Why? Because if we see from here, these three are not visible, but these three are visible. Okay, so this will be my B dash, E dash, in here in the bracket O1 dash, and here C dash, D dash, and here only O. So now what they say is this edge is there, right? That's sleeping here on the HP. Okay, so I just have to first this I have to mark here. Okay, so I'll consider a point, let it be this. So now what I'll do, this edge proper, right? This edge I'll mark here. Okay, so see here, this is 5, okay, but from here to here is 5, but from here to here it won't be 5, it will be more actually. Okay, now I got resting base, so I'll mark this much and put a big arc, then again I'll mark this, and keeping here I'll cut. So see here I got my points properly intersect, yeah. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll measure this half. And simply cut like this. Then from here I'll do like this. So this is my O dash, and here I have, oh sorry, it's actually C. So C dash in the bracket D dash. So this is my B dash in the bracket E dash, and also O1 dash, and this is my A dash F dash. See, we have to take lines, right? So B and E. So B is still here. C D. So it's only till here, and even this it's only till here. Okay. Coming to O, it's still here somewhere. Okay, little cross. Now I have to put lines like this, and from the center. I'm not erasing, I'm just making it light. Okay, so see here I got my coordinates. It's here. Okay, and now see here, first outline is always visible. Okay, you're seeing from the top, so this is visible. Okay, so since you're seeing like this, every edge is visible. Okay, so see here, this is our view, this is visible, this is visible, so even this is visible. if you simply join from here to straight, it's like this. This is like this. Now from here to here, that is my dotted line. Why? Because this edge is not visible, right? It's the resting edge, or you can say the resting side. Done. Now what I have to do is, okay, first let me do the naming. This is O, so my A is this now, okay, A, and this is F, so this will be my, oh sorry, I did it ulta. This is A, this is F, this is B, C, D, E, F, and also this my O1, which is also visible. So at this point all the points are visible. Now here, okay, so this is the most interesting thing. What they say is the axial line axis is inclined to VP, okay. So it says the axis is inclined to VP at 45 degree. So most of us, what mistake we'll do is we'll take 45 degree directly and just put it like this. So remember that this is not tilting 45 degree, this is the proper axis. So first what you have to do, just take 45 degree, okay. So now what you have to do, put a line, okay. So let me take here just one normal line. Done. Now what I'll do, I'll take this actual axis length, considering this point I'll put a cut, okay. I got it exactly here. Now what I'll do, I'll just erase this extra part. So now my axis is inclined at 45 degree. Now what I'll do, I'll measure from this to this, okay. Is it proper? Yeah. Keeping this edge here, I'll put an arc like this. Why? Because according to this line, if I measure this axis length and then bisect from this on this line, then actually and properly it will be inclined to 45 degrees. Since it is slanted and tilted, we won't understand, but when you do it in a 3D model, you will get it. So if you go like this, okay, so this was my 45 degree. This, if you measure, it will be obviously 50 degree. If you go more accurately, it might differ, but it's actually 50 degrees. So let's confirm. Yeah, it's 50. Anyways, so now we got our 2 points. This is my O1 and this is my O, okay. O and O1. Now since I have 2 points, you see what I'll do, I can use my protractor here too. So first I'll measure this half, okay, where this is going. I'll cut it like this, then I'll measure this too, and I'll cut an arc like this, okay. So now I have this. So from this two, around I can get this, right? So just let me measure it like this. Yeah. same itself. I'll do it both the sides at a time. Okay, I'll erase the extra edges or extra lines. I got the point. This is my E and D. Now what I'll do, keeping here, I'll put one arc here and arc here. From then E, I'll put one arc. So I have this point right properly. So now what I'll do, simply small thing. I'll measure this. This is equal to this. Yeah. So keeping here one straight arc. Keeping here one straight arc. And then keeping, I'll do the same here also. Okay. Keeping here straight arc and keeping here one straight arc. Now I'll measure this. So if I keep at this point properly and cut here, cut, cut. I have got my points properly. You see, it wasn't that difficult. So if you just join them. One more thing which I forgot to tell you was that in this line, once you get the straight line, right, you can simply put what to say, straight lines like this. Just a second. So there was a slight mistake. Okay, I'll just correct it. So what I'll do, I'll simply measure a 90 degree at this point. I'll put a dot here, then I'll measure 90 degree at this point. I'll put a dot like this. So okay, I got the straight lines. Now what I'll do, once again I'll just cross check this E coordinates if it is the same. Okay, so it's correct. Here it was still different. So now what I'll do, I'll measure this properly now, keeping on this intersection, bisect, bisect, keeping on this intersection, bisect, bisect. Okay. Simple. I showed you two way. The first way because of my uh, unsharpened pencil and little slight mistakes in the compass, I didn't get the proper angle, but it will also come like that. But I also showed you other easy way of doing this. I'll now name this. So this is my A, B, C, D, E, and this is F. Okay, so see, E is around here. If I put a straight line, it will come somewhere here. This is my D, right? So D is resting. F will come all up till here. This is O, the center. It will be coming till here. Okay, then my C. C is a resting base. A will come all up till here, and B will come till the middle here. Now I'll put some lines. Only till here, this only till here, and my O is also resting here. Okay, so this, 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 D is resting here and C is resting here. You can see we can already see hexagon from the dots. Okay, now this line will be dark. Also this. Okay, so this is my B, right? A bit left it is. Just a second. It comes somewhere like here. Okay, so this comes like this, and this comes like this. Here it is like this. So all these edges are not visible. Why? Because the base is visible. That's it, folks. It's done. This is my O dash. So if this is B dash, this is A dash, this is F dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, and this is my O1 dash, and there will be one chained type thing here, one longer dash and smaller dash. So that's it. Is our sum here, and it is done.